Hello guys, welcome to channel. I'm Fernanda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So if you have a time, kindly watch my video below on how to make money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. Kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my social media above my videos like this, website, and Instagram. How to become Sellvia affiliate. So this is the main page of Sellvia. So kindly run this one if you want to become an affiliate here. So you can see below of this main page, company health center contact us about us, term of use, privacy policy, shipping policy for suppliers and for affiliates. So Amazon program policy. So kindly click this one for affiliate. So we are here inside on how to become a Sellvia affiliate. So by the way guys, how it works. So by the way, what is a Sellvia? So why partner with Sellvia? Sellvia is the #1 ecosystem including all the e-commerce customer service and marketing features which help you to start, run and grow your business and achieve financial independence. So what is this? Granted 1 to 3 business days US shipping. Prices are lower than on other popular e-commerce marketplace. Bestseller products with huge profit margin. Ready product pages for every online store. So this is the main page and how it works. So before this, kindly register as an affiliate, make money. For acquiring new Sellvia subscribers, it's free to join. And then #2 is promote Sellvia, to spread the word about Sellvia and help e-commerce entrepreneurs create an outstanding shopping experience for online buyers. And then #3 is start earning. So when your followers click on your link and subscribe to Sellvia, you get your earnings starting from the first subscription month. So this is on how it works to become an Sellvia affiliate. So become a Sellvia affiliate. So promote the best US best e-commerce supplier and earn 50% commission for every subscription and 30% commission for Sellvia services ordered by your referrals. So if you are interested more, kindly click join affiliate program. So we can click this. So now, apply here and earn money with Sellvia. So kindly fill up this form. First name and your last name, account email, your email address, password, confirm password, and do you know how do you plan to promote Sellvia? So and then, if you want to fill out, if you are finished, we'll be finishing this, finished to create your account. Kindly click this one, create my account, and then you will be waiting for your email address for the response from Sellvia affiliate. And then if you are if you are accepted this Sellvia affiliate, you will be receive another email from Sellvia that you can access your dashboard like me, guys. So kindly, this is the free registration on how to become a Sellvia affiliate program. And if you want to become e-commerce business with Sellvia, kindly read this one. By the way, I will be putting my affiliate link inside my description. Kindly click this of that link, and then if you want to start your e-commerce business with Sellvia, click this one. Start for free if you want. So if you want this e-commerce business for backup, or you will be you have a passive income. So kindly click this one. Start for free. So we are trying to start for free. By the way, I will show you. There are so many success stories about e-commerce business with Sellvia. So this is the one. If you want to register this, kindly click this one. So kindly watch also the stories business success stories inside of the Selvia. So like this, watch this video, and then if you are interested to become a e-commerce business with Selvia, start for free. So you can click this one, start for free. So this is the limited time you'll start the commerce business for free. So let us build your perfect online store with top-selling products. It will work on autopilot and bring you profit for the years to come. So this is the video. If you want to interested, kindly watch this video before you will be registered here for free. For free only. And then there are so many. We have people plus people like you achieve financial independence. And then how do I get my store? So this is the one also. If you want to become a if you want to become an e-commerce business this with Salvia, so how do I get my store? A few steps for launching an online business. So first, subscribe to Sellvia Pro. You post the Get My Store for free button and finish your order, which includes your Sellvia subscription with a free trial. And then two is fill out a survey. To complete a short survey to let us know your references. Our experts can only start working when this info is provided. And then get your ready store. Number three, our team creates a high-class custom store according to all your preferences in just minutes. And then number four, activate your store. So book a free training session with our team, launch your new website with our help, and start selling. So this is the one on how to get your store for free. So this is the one also, this way to start your commerce business. Kindly read this one also. And then this is the example. Only stores built to succeed. To succeed, what's the progress of e-commerce business powered with Salvia? This one, if you want this, so like for example, car accessories store that came from 0 to 1 million in 5 months. Kindly get it now. Click this one also for more information. And then this one also, this is the example for the store. If you want to get it, if you want to become her, or you have been to become a store, like for example, car accessory store that came from 0 to 1 million in 5 months. So grab it now. So click this one, get it now, and you will have this store, this kind of store. And then, so what can you sell? Salvia offers thousands of trending products and profitable niche. So never worry about packaging, delivery, or managing inventory. Everything is in stock and ready to be shipped from the fulfillment center located in the U.S., California. So this is the one that you want to become an e-commerce business. So if you want to become also affiliate marketing affiliate to become a affiliate with Salvia, you can choose also. Kindly, by the way, as what I said, this my main page. This grab it or rank into below and click for affiliates if you want to become an affiliate. But if you want to become a business e-commerce business with Selvia, and start for free. Kindly choose, it's up to you. Kindly choose affiliate to become an affiliate with Selvia, or to become e-commerce business with Selvia, start for free also. So ayan, okay. This is the but why so many people just like to choose Selvia. So this is the video. You can watch also this. So guys, grab it now. You will be you will having a passive income of this store. If you want to give to have a searching or become an affiliate to earn money and to have become a e-commerce business with Sellvia. So start your e-commerce business for free today. So kindly start for free. So you can click this. So this is one. So guys, if you are interested, kindly click my link inside my description and you can click or you can create your account to become an affiliate program with Sellvia or to become a commerce business for free today. So guys, until now my video. Thank you for watching. By the way, if you are a new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video notification. Someday, if I will be uploading someday new video, that you will be notified for my new video uploading for next time. So thank you for your watching and bye for now.